It's been really interesting, actually. I mean, first time for me in Thailand, first time in Asia Rail conference. The conversation has been quite broad, I think. You know, we've been speaking with operators who are right at the very beginning, if you like, of thinking about digital maintenance, what they might mean, to the point many of them don't have any type of computer system that they're working with. They're on spreadsheets, they're on whiteboards and emails. So they're really right at the very beginning. And what's great about that is we're able to about Soros, the modular nature of Soros, which means we can support them with a simple implementation with one module, which is quick and very cost effective, all the way through to people who are looking to now recreate their maintenance programs, looking at a different way to do that to get better value and efficiency from the maintenance that they're doing. And of course, that then enables other activities. We talk about robotics and automation of inspection. So how you might then be able to bring in the use of the robotics that FMT have brought here, the drone systems that they're providing, and how you might be able to now replace physical inspection with a digital type of autonomous inspection using the technology that's there. And I think what's great is there is such a broad spread of capability through RTS Digital, with Danbury Klein, with the Soros product, that we're almost able to provide to in some means, a bespoke tailored package for everybody that we're speaking to. And that's what's really interested me.